You thought money was just paper, just numbers in a bank account, just something you trade for the things you want. But let me ask you, if money was so simple, why do so many people spend their entire lives chasing it and never seem to catch it? Today I'm going to tell you the truth, a truth most people will never hear. Because the system isn't built to teach you about money. It's built to keep you ignorant of it. You were taught that money is earned through hard work, that the harder you work, the more you'll make. But look around you. The hardest workers, delivery drivers, factory workers, nurses, janitors, they don't live in penthouses. They don't fly private. They don't retire at 40. The rich don't work hard. They work smart. They let systems, capital, and people work for them. And the rest of us? We trade hours for dollars. You were sold a lie. Money isn't paper. Money is belief. It's trust in a system. It's a shared illusion so powerful that it can control nations, drive wars, and keep you in debt for 30 years. Money is also leverage. It's a magnifier of your habits, your fears, your mindset. Give a broke person $1 million, they'll be broke again in 5 years. Give a wealthy person $100, they'll turn it into a business. Why? Because money flows to those who respect it, understand it, and most importantly, expect it. Here's what you weren't told. Your entire relationship with money is emotional. Most people think money is math, but it's psychology. Scarcity mindset, fear of losing, fear of judgment, fear of success. You don't overspend because you're bad at math. You overspend because it makes you feel in control, or worthy, or distracted from something deeper. The truth is, most people are afraid of money. They either chase it obsessively or push it away without even knowing it. So how do the wealthy think? Here's the shift. They see money as a tool, not an identity, not a source of pride, not a measure of their worth. They delay pleasure. They invest in what they understand. They value time more than dollars. And they never need money because they've built systems that bring it to them. They don't ask, can I afford this? They ask, how can I afford this while growing my assets? The average person sees money as the goal. The wealthy see it as a side effect. You don't need to be a millionaire to think like one. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Respect your cash flow. Start reading. Here are my first 3 book recommendations. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The Psychology of Money. Think and Grow Rich. Stop saying I can't afford it. Start saying, how can I afford it? Don't save money. Park it in assets that grow. Understand taxes, leverage, debt, and ownership. They're not evil, they're tools. And above all, stop treating money like it's just paper. It's not. It's power. It's energy. It's a mirror. And the better you understand yourself, your fears, your habits, your beliefs, the more money will flow to you. You were taught money was just paper, but now you know it's never been about paper. It's always been about power. And the moment you stop fearing money is the moment it starts working for you.